Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Team Group first T-Force X InWin 216 case. So friend, the T-Force X InWin 216 case was designed with every detail in mind, featuring sleek lines that capture the latest gaming style trends and front panel incorporating T-Force unique design elements. And friend, by fusing the two brand spirit with innovative thinking, the 216 case demonstrate T-Force and InWin's dedication to meeting the needs of gamers, and it supports E-ATX motherboard and high-end system installation and will provide users with plenty of room for expansion as it's equipped with multiple slots for 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch storage device. And in addition, the InWin 216 supports both vertical and horizontal GPU placements, and users can choose their preferred placement and display their eye-catching GPU in the most elegant fashion. And friend, the T-Force X InWin 216 case can be equipped with up to 6 fans, attaching them on the front, rear or top of the chassis. And friend, its sleek unobstructed airflow design helps remove excess heat from the interior of the case and providing superb cooling performance. And its carefully optimized interior space support installation of various high-end hardware, and with its first-rate cooling performance and excellent compatibility, the T-Force X InWin 216 case is a top-notch choice for any gamer. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.